Hello, friends. In today's video, we'll compare the Texa welding machine with APA Firma welders to see which one is better and which one performs best. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. Let's go! We're going to compare Texa and APA by looking at how much current each one can deliver. Our Texa is rated at 350 amps, while the APA is rated at 250 amps. We'll test them one by one, and you'll see the current output for yourself. If everything's clear, let's get started. First, we'll test the Texa. We start by setting the initial current to 100 amps. As you can see, it's delivering about 60 amps. Now let's open it all the way to the maximum. When we set it to 350 amps, it's only delivering around 130 amps. The arc ignition on the Texa is good, but the actual current output is lower. It's rated at 350, but only gives about 130 amps at maximum. Now, let's connect the APA welder and test it. You'll see the results for yourselves. Friends, now we're going to test our APA welder. We turn it on and set the initial current to 100 amps. It's giving about 6070 amps. Next, we increase it to 150 amps, and it delivers 120 amps. Now let's open it to maximum. At around 200 amps, it's giving 160 amps. Finally, we set it to full maximum, 250 amps, and it delivers exactly 250 amps. So friends, even if we reduce the current by 20 amps, our APA welder still delivers the rated output perfectly. That's it for today's video. We've checked how the welders perform and compared their current output. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more welding tips, reviews, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.